Welcome to Health is Wealth, where we provide evidence-based health education and focus on natural healing. Today, we are exploring 10 powerful stress buster techniques that enhance well-being, reduce anxiety, and encourage a balanced life. Finally, I'll share a gentle breathing exercise to reinstate a sense of calm in just a few moments. So, let's begin with our first stress buster. 1. Being active. Movement is essential for our mental and physical health. Exercise is not just about fitness, it's a celebration of what your body can do. Begin with something you enjoy, whether it's a brisk walk in the park, shopping, going on a hike, or dancing while you're cooking. Embrace the joy in movement. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to be active. It's all about releasing tension and uplifting your spirits. After all, each step forward, no matter how small, counts toward a healthier you. So, lace up those shoes and make it a regular part of your day. Stress sometimes feels like an insurmountable mountain, but by taking control of the small aspects of life, you can begin to transform that pressure into productivity. One effective method for achieving this is through the practice of setting attainable goals. Establish a clear focus for yourself and create a manageable to-do list. This not only organizes your thoughts but also serves as a reminder that every small achievement contributes to the larger picture. When you turn your fears and anxieties into actionable steps, you build a sense of empowerment and regain a balance that stress may have disrupted. Rest assured that each step you take can help you carve your path toward tranquility and strength. 3. Connecting with people. Connecting with others is essential for fostering resilience against stress. Sharing your thoughts and feelings, whether with friends or family, can create a sense of belonging and support during challenging times. It's crucial to remember that reaching out does not signify weakness, rather, it is a powerful tool for emotional processing. When you laugh with a loved one or simply share your day, those moments build deeper connections and alleviate burdens. Metaphorically speaking, you are not just sharing your load, you're also inviting others to lighten it with their warmth. So don't hesitate, pick up the phone, send that message, or arrange a little gathering. Your mental health will thrive through these interactions, reminding you that together, we are stronger. 4. Taking time for yourself. Taking time for yourself is often overlooked, yet it plays a critical role in maintaining overall well-being. Engaging in me time can be as simple as savoring a quiet cup of tea or delving into a captivating book, having a quiet time with the Lord in prayer. This practice enhances clarity, renews your energy, and allows your mind to reset. Recognize that being busy is not synonymous with productivity. Prioritize moments of peace without guilt. By allocating time to recharge, you cultivate a balanced connection between your body and mind, allowing you to face stress with greater resilience and a refreshed outlook. Embrace these moments, as they are essential to your health and happiness. Strengthening your resilience also comes from overcoming challenges and nurturing your spirit through personal growth. 5. Challenge yourself and your thoughts. Engaging in activities that push your boundaries, such as learning a new skill or picking up a hobby, can significantly enhance not only your self-esteem but also your adaptability. Consider tackling a cooking class to explore culinary creativity, venturing into journaling to process your thoughts, or even attempting to learn a new language. Each challenge you successfully navigate reinforces your ability to handle stress, transforming obstacles into opportunities for personal empowerment. Remember, this journey is about progress, not perfection, as each step taken enriches your experience and builds confidence, allowing stress to gradually diminish in its intensity. Being mindful of our choices is crucial, especially when faced with stress. Often, we may be tempted to turn to unhealthy habits such as excessive caffeine, sugar, or alcohol, smoking, staying out late, or going to strip clubs, just to find ways to cope. However, these might only provide a fleeting escape, leaving us with heightened anxiety and a restless mind. Instead, we should invest in nurturing habits that genuinely replenish our well-being. 6. Opt for healthier alternative. Consider indulging in herbal teas, practicing mindfulness activities, or taking slow walks in nature. Each conscious choice leads you toward healing, reinforcing the principle that true comfort lies in peace rather than quick fixes. By opting for healthier alternatives, we cultivate an environment that supports our emotional and physical health. 7. Acts of kindness. Acts of kindness not only enhance your mood but also create a bond with those around you, amplifying a sense of community. When you extend a helping hand, whether through volunteering, offering a listening ear, or simply smiling at a stranger, you ignite a feeling of joy not only in others but within yourself as well. This reciprocal energy fosters gratitude and connection, promoting emotional well-being while reducing stress levels. Remember, even the smallest act of kindness can have a profound impact, reminding us that in lifting others, we also elevate our own spirits and pave the way for a lighter heart amidst life's challenges. 8. Create a priority list. Stress often stems from pursuing too many tasks that do not align with your core values. To effectively manage your energy, start by evaluating your current responsibilities and reflecting on what truly matters to you. Create a prioritized list that distinguishes between urgent tasks and those that can wait, allowing you to eliminate superfluous demands. By consciously focusing on meaningful activities, you will experience a greater sense of satisfaction and accomplishment. Remember, it's not about doing everything. It's about doing what is most important and fulfilling for you, thereby protecting your well-being in the process. 9. Practicing positivity through gratitude. Practicing positivity through gratitude can transform your mindset and outlook on life. Each evening, take a moment to reflect on 3 things you appreciated that day. This act cultivates an abundant mindset focused on the positive instead of the negative. Over time, this intentional practice lowers stress levels, enhances resilience, and boosts your emotional wellness. When you continually seek the good in life, it becomes easier to navigate challenges with grace and determination. Remember, fostering gratitude is like building a muscle. The more you engage in this practice, the stronger your ability to find joy and inner peace within yourself. Ultimately, a grateful heart can be your ultimate shield against stress. 10. Practicing mindfulness. Practicing mindfulness involves anchoring yourself in the present, allowing you to release worries from the past or anxieties about the future. This awareness can be cultivated through simple exercises, such as focusing on your breath or noticing the sensations of your surroundings. Each mindful minute is a precious opportunity to recharge and reset your mental state. As you embrace mindfulness, remember that it's a powerful tool for creating a calm refuge amidst life's chaos. The final crucial habit is 11. Love everything about yourself, not just the parts that are easy to admire, but also the parts that are still growing. Believe in yourself, even when life gets noisy and doubts try to whisper that you're not enough. You are more than your mistakes, more than your fears, more than what anyone else thinks of you. Never feel that you're nobody, hopeless, or worthless, because you were created in the image of God love, with purpose, and your value doesn't depend on people's approval. You are enough, right here, right now. Every scar, every setback, every lesson you've learned has shaped you into someone stronger, wiser, and more beautiful than before. So, look in the mirror and see the masterpiece that God designed. A person capable of healing, changing, growing, and shining light in dark places. Loving yourself isn't pride, it's gratitude. It's saying, "Thank you, Lord, for making me me." Every time you doubt yourself, remember this. You've survived every hard day you thought would break you. You've shown kindness when you could have chosen anger. You've stood back up when life tried to knock you down. That's a way of showing strength through the grace of God. So today, make a promise to yourself, to stop apologizing for who you are, to speak kindly to your heart, and to love yourself through the process of becoming. Because when you love yourself fully, you stop chasing validation, feelings less anxious, and you start walking in peace and confidence. You've always been enough. Stress will be a part of life, but it's how we choose to cope that defines our well-being. By implementing these 10 habits and practicing the breathing technique together, you can maintain a sense of calm, resilience, and clarity throughout your journey. Always remember, your health is indeed your greatest wealth. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and tune on the notification bell for more valuable content like this.